Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and I am showing you one of my quick go-to dinners to feed a crowd on a quick hot summer night. This is my family style steak salad. Tonight I'm using steaks from Rastelli's. Rastelli's in New Jersey ships the best steaks and seafood right to your front door, already frozen, individually wrapped, which I absolutely love. When making any kind of steak, I like to pat them dry very well, about 30 to 60 minutes before I'm ready to cook them. I let them sit out at room temperature for that long until I'm ready to let them hit the heat. So to start them, pat them dry, and then I'm gonna rub them evenly with either avocado oil or extra light tasting olive oil. Extra light tasting olive oil will say for frying or baking on the bottle. This is perfect for high heat. Then I'm gonna season them well with coarse salt, onion powder, dried parsley, dried thyme, which I absolutely love on all of my meats. I love it on steak. You see me do my marinated thyme wings, which are out of this world on the Blackstone, and also adding to that some onion powder and some freshly grated black peppercorn. Let them sit out at room temperature in the house, in the air conditioning, not out in the sun, obviously. So once I'm ready, about 30 to 60 minutes later, I'm just gonna preheat my Blackstone to high heat. These steaks I'm using today are only about an inch thick, so they're only gonna take about 2 minutes or less on each side in that butter, and then I'm gonna let them rest. Now, if I was cooking for myself, I would go for medium to medium rare. I like a really red steak, but since I have a lot of kids here today, they're asking for medium well, so I'm gonna do them for 2 full minutes on each side. Always let my steak rest. When it's pulled off that Blackstone, put it on a wood cutting board or a dish that can hold all the juices that will come out of that steak when it's done. While they are resting, do not cut them, do not poke them, do not push them, don't even look at them. Go away for 10 minutes, let them rest on that plate. All those juices will redistribute, and then when you cut into them, they'll be nice and juicy still, and you'll have a plate or a board full of juices that you can drizzle right over those steaks. So I'm just gonna slice up these steaks, put them onto my big serving board that I've filled with a spring mix, some radishes, cucumbers, tomatoes, blue cheese wedge, balsamic glaze, and a good extra virgin olive oil. And this is all I need to put outside for everybody to dig in and make their own salads. I'm Blackstone Betty, and until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Also, be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com for amazing recipes and shopping and apparel. Just kidding. That's from Teespring. I like it though. Okay, bye.